If you're scrolling TikTok or YouTube seeing people make thousands from their phones and thinking, how? This is your video, because in 2025, the digital game has changed. And today I'm giving you the real no fluff roadmap to start making money online, even if you're broke, overwhelmed, or starting from zero. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Most people want to make money online, but they run into one of three problems. They don't know where to start. They think they need thousands of followers. They believe it's too late or too saturated. Let me be real with you. None of those are true. What's actually stopping people is information overload, self-doubt, and not having a clear plan. I know, because I was there too, a college student, barely scraping by, watching others live the life I wanted. And once I learned this framework, everything changed. I'm going to walk you through the 4-step framework I use to start making money online and what I still teach to others who want financial freedom in 2025. The money doesn't come from posting random content. It comes from solving real problems in a specific space. Some of the hottest niches in 2025: digital products, AI tools, remote productivity, side hustles, wellness, and online education. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead and be willing to learn. There are tons of ways to make money online, but here are 3 low-cost, beginner-friendly ones. Digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, affiliate marketing, promoting tools or courses you love, UGC or content creation, creating content for brands without showing your face. Pick one. Focus. Master it. Don't jump around. You don't need a fancy website. You need 3 things: a product or offer, a way to collect payments like StanStore or Shopify, a platform to drive traffic like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. That's it. No crazy tech. I launched my first digital product with Canva, Gumroad, and a $0 budget. If I can do it, so can you. Now comes the hardest part: showing up. Post valuable content 3 to 5 times a week. Share your journey. Use high converting hooks. Provide solutions. Don't chase likes. Chase conversations. Every post is a mini billboard for your business. If you need help knowing what to post or how to create content that converts, I created a 90-day content playbook and a faceless reels guide. I'll link them below. I started with 0 followers, no money, no mentor, but I invested in low-ticket resources, learned from free content, and stayed consistent. Now I help others do the same. Students, moms, 9-to-5ers, and people just like you. I've seen people make their first sale in 48 hours. The only difference is they decided to start. Here's what I want you to do next. Pick one business model I mentioned. Drop a comment below with your niche idea. I'll reply with tips. And if you want to skip the trial and error, check out my Done For You digital starter kit. It gives you the tools, templates, and training to launch your online income stream fast. Remember, age is temporary. Financial freedom is forever. Don't wait until next year to start living like it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next drop.